Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to unbox the Lookfantastic Beauty Box for the month of July. So if you want to see what is it inside, then just keep watching. Before we are starting, if you are wondering what's happening with the vanity table that I used to have behind me, the table is gone. All of my makeup is split in the room because I'm waiting for my new vanity table to arrive today, so I will change it, and I will probably after that I will make a tour of my new vanity desk. So if you are interested on that, just let me know in your comments down below. And yeah, other than that, if you are not subscribed and enjoy what you see, consider yourself subscribed. Just hit the red button down there, join the family, hit the notification bell, and if you like this video, also give it a thumbs up because it helps. So if you don't know anything about Lookfantastic and this is the first time when you hear about this box, Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty subscription that is shipped from UK. They do ship worldwide, and I believe now they are back again to the free shipping. The subscription retails for £15 per month, and the price is slightly decreasing if you are subscribed for 3, 6 and 12 months. Also, if you use in the top a cashback retailer, I'm using Quidco, you can get more discount. I will have all the details on my description box below beneath this video. So if you want to find out more information, go ahead and check my description box. Now, this box is mostly skincare, hair care, body care oriented, so if you are more leaning toward makeup, you might find that not all the boxes, all the contents for the months are on your preference. However, this is my favorite beauty box because throughout those years I have discovered and tried brands and products that I might not ever thought on them, or I didn't know that I need those products. So yeah, for me this is a good opportunity to discover and try a lot of products. The box contains 6 beauty products. They are either full size, deluxe size, sometimes they have quite small sizes, but this is not so often, but usually you are somewhere between full size and deluxe size. Glowing skin, it's always in. And this is signed by the LF Beauty Box. So I'm not having my light box because I don't have space. Everything on this room is right now a mess due to the fact that I have the makeup everywhere. So I only have my ring light and the natural light, but I hope this is enough for now. This is the second month when we are missing the leaflets. We only have this note. To our lovely beauty box customers, we hope you love all the products in this box. With everything that's going on the moment, we have decided to make all beauty box edits in digital form for the foreseeable future. Don't worry, we will bring back the printed version as soon as we can. I did not receive this magazine, and when they shipped my box, I wrote them and I asked them specifically to send me that link. I haven't received it yet. Today we are on July 7th, and I still don't have that link, so I don't know exactly what happened, but I will not be able to refer on the products from the box. When I will edit this video, I will try to find the prices for those items, but you know that's the approximation that you give for travel size. It's not the same that they are at the value on their leaflet. So those are the products inside, and I have heard that this month they had 2 variations because the original July box was sold out really fast. To be honest, I don't remember exactly what was inside because since with all this virus situation and we have to open the boxes and sterilize, I started to watch spoilers. So usually I'm watching Claire from Diary of a Beauty Geek, that she receives this box as PR, and I have seen her variant And I think I have some other products, not all of them, maybe one or two I recognized, but other than that I think most of the products that she shown on that box, I don't have them, which I actually love, and I will tell you on as we go along. So, the first product that I am grabbing on my hands is by Spa, and it's a rose and lemon enriched body cream. Rose and lemon, this should smell delicious. So we have 100 ml, and this is coming handy because I'm just finishing my body cream. Oh my god, the smell is divine, and the texture is lightweight and really appropriate for summer months when we don't need a thicker moisturizer. So really chuffed about that. I love the scent. It's citrusy. It's one of my favorite scents, especially on body care, but especially when it's mixed with rose, it makes even more lovely. So this is our first product, and I think Monu Spa, it's a high-end brand or so. The second product is a hair, skin and nail supplement. So we have here 30 capsules. Oh, so it's sealed, completely sealed, so I will not open it because I have other capsules that I need to go through. Probably they are also from Lookfantastic, but I'm really interested to try this. Just I need to read the ingredients. So they have vitamin C, bamboo extract, lutein, berberry extract, flaxseed oil powder, zinc, anti-caking agent, vitamin D3, copper, selenium, iodine and biotin, and might contain milk. So there are a lot of ingredients that are good for your hair, skin and nails, so I will give it a try. Take 2 capsules daily. The third product is the one that I've seen Claire got, and this is by Sleek. This is a liquid lipstick, Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the shade Bittersweet. I love the shade, but let me tell you what, I have plenty of this kind of shades, so I'm not going so fast through my liquid lipstick, so I might keep this unopened and give it to someone, either or I will put it on giveaway. I'm not sure for the moment, but I will not open it right now. I will just insert a picture with swatches just to see how it swatches, but sorry for not opening right now. And of course this is a full-size product. The fourth product is by This Works, and this is Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum with 2% hyaluronic acid and slow release vitamin C, help plump and brighten morning skin. And we do get here 10 ml. And this is also sealed, so I will not open it because vitamin C products, once you open them, you should use them really fast. So this is 6 months shelf time. The next product, it is by Madara, and we know that Madara is a organic skincare brand. And we got here Deep Moisture Regenerating Night Cream, Overnight Renewal for Radiant Complexion. And this is coming just after a couple of days since I opened another cream. I'm not having so many night cream products on my stash, and I would have loved to get this before, but I didn't know about that, so now I need to postpone it a bit. And what it says is that this rejuvenating night cream helps to prevent signs of environmental aging. The easily absorbed formulation treats your skin for a well-rested and radiant complexion. Apply every night to a clean face and neck. And the last product that we have, and I'm of course excited about, is by the brand Blush Brush. No, I think... What's the brand name? Ah, So Eco. It's here. I never heard about this brand before, but I love the packaging. Oh, look at that! This is so beautiful! So, you have a wooden handle, and those are the bristles. They are extremely soft. those are extremely soft, so they say you can use this for blush. Oh my god, in terms of softness, this brush reminds me about Makeup Forever brushes. I don't know if I ever mentioned, but I think I have tried several times on Sephora. I touched the Makeup Forever brushes, so if you have tried those brushes, you know how soft they are. This is exactly the level of the softness that this brush has. So this is really beautiful brush. Of course, this is a full size, so I hope I will find the price for this. I believe the total of this month, the total value of the box for this month is over 60 pounds. But other than that, I think this was a really good month for Lookfantastic Beauty Box. I'm really chuffed with all the products that I got. So, just to sum up, I got a Madara night cream. I've got a My Vitamins hair, skin and nails supplement, a full-size sleek lipstick, a full-size brush by the brand So Eco, a body cream by Monu Spa, sorry, all the time forget, and this is how the packaging looks like, and I think this is like deluxe size sample of the This Works Hyaluronic Morning Expert Hyaluronic Serum, and I think this is a backup. I think I have the full size or a generous travel size already in my stash, so maybe this I will give it to someone else who wants to try it. But yeah, those are all the products from Lookfantastic Beauty Box for the month of July. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and also please let me know in your comments down below if you get Lookfantastic, and if it is so, what were the products that you got this month. You got the same like me, or you got the other variations about I was just mentioning earlier. But yeah, other than that, let me know what do you think about this box, and if you have some other informations about the products inside, please also share them with me. And other than that, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not already, and follow me on my social, and I'm looking forward to see you again on my next video. Stay tuned, bye bye! And guys, I forgot to tell you what I'm wearing on my nails. So I have the OPI Your Salt Budapest nail polish, and this is a oldie but a goodie nail polish. It's a really beautiful purple, and on the accent finger I have the OPI When Monkeys Fly. So this is the glitter that I have on top. So this is special shout out for my friend Jackie Naturals, and also for all of you who are wondering and commenting on my videos about the nail polish. This is what I have on my nails on today. Okay.